you are dealing with chronic bloating, sluggish digestion, or a backed up digestion system, and you are also noticing your hair becoming thinner, I need you to know something. See, these are not two separate problems, no queen. They are deeply connected. Okay? Welcome back, everyone. I am Malika, menopause hair restoration expert. If you watch our last video, we talk about 5 collagen-rich foods that help provide the building block your body needs just for healthy hair growth. But today, we are addressing a truth that many women never hear. You can eat the healthiest diet, buy the highest quality supplement, take your green kale every morning, take all the 20 hair vitamin and still struggle with tiny hair. Anyone? My question is why? See, because if your digestion system is not working properly, your body cannot fully absorb and use those nutrients. In other words, it's not just about what you eat. It's about what your body can actually absorb, or it's about what can you digest. Today, I am going to show you the science behind the gut-hair connection. Why sluggish digestion can literally starve your hair follicles. And the simple step you can take to support healthy digestion and healthy hair. Are you ready for this? I don't know about you ladies. Queen, first of all, if this is your first time coming to this channel, please give me a favor. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just what? So we can share this good news to all women around the globe. So let's begin inside your digestion system. Your small intestine is lined with millions of tiny finger-like structure called villi. Okay? Have you heard of this? Villi. This villi have one important job. They absorb vitamin, mineral, protein, and amino acid from your food. Then deliver those nutrients into your bloodstream. So when digestion becomes sluggish, or your gut is chronically inflamed, like I was for years, your food is not broken down efficiently. Instead, this is what happened, Queen. Are you ready? He can sit in your digestion tract longer than it should. Over time, then that can contribute to inflammation and reduce your body's ability to absorb nutrient efficiency. That's why we're dealing with that bloat, like that 8-month pregnant looking, and the gas that we are experiencing. So when nutrient absorption declines, your body has to prioritize. The nutrients that are available are sent first to your vital organ. As we all learned last week, or I think a couple weeks ago, your brain, your heart, your liver, your lungs, your hair follicles, once again, move to the bottom of the priority list. This is the natural, systemic way how your body works. See, your follicles simply are not receiving the nutrients they need to produce healthy sperm. So that's why I often say, you are not only what you eat, you are what you or your body can absorb or digest and assimilate. See, if absorption is compromised, hair growth will be compromised as well. This is how intricate the body is. This is how divinely your body is structured. The body is a system. When one is crying, the other one get affected as well. See, now let's bring it to migration motor complex, which I like. My MMC, I like migration motor complex. See, there is another important system, and I want you to know today. If you've never been in this channel before, you know we're talking about migration motor complex a lot on my other channel. So, your MMC, what is it? Think of it as your body internal housekeeping system. How many of us love housekeeping? Between meals. It creates gentle waves that help move leftover food particles and debris through your digestion tract. Now, this clearing process supports healthy digestion. But when we constantly snack throughout the day, how many of us just like to snack, and snack more? Or live under chronic stress, that natural cleaning cycle may not function as effectively. Food stays in the digestion tract longer. Digestion slows down. And your body has to work much harder. Your liver also becomes busier processing everything. Since your liver plays an important role in hormone metabolism, supporting healthy digestion also supports healthy hormone balance. For example, steak will take about 14 to 16 hours just to digest. Lady, do you know that? So as we learned in video 1, hormone balance is closely connected to healthy hair growth. Everything in the body is connected as a system. So once one is crying, the other one is saying, oh, I'm here too. I need some attention. Ooh. Now, let's talk about how to support your digestion naturally. So, what you can begin doing, Lily, like today. I'm glad you want to know. If you are someone say, okay, Coach Malika, thank you, but how do I support my digestion naturally? So, you are in the right place today. Don't leave yet. So, let's keep it simple. Step one. Support healthy digestion before meal. How you do that? One simple practice is drinking a small amount of warm water with a splash of fresh lemon juice or raw apple cider vinegar before your largest meal. I promise you, lady, if you start practicing this, you will see the results. See, for many people, this can help prepare the digestion system for the meal ahead. Some of us, we are sure because we don't have a lot of enzyme. Our body doesn't produce a lot of gas, a lot of acids, gastric acid. Step 2, give your digestion system time to work. Instead of grazing constantly throughout the day. See, ladies, I want to say something, but can you permit me? We are not cow, okay? So allow a few minutes, okay? Allow a few hours between meal, whatever is appropriate for your individual health need. Like I said, if we keep constantly grazing, snacking, just what? We ain't giving our body the rest that you need it. So they give your digestion system time to complete its natural process. There's a cycle that your body needs to go through. Step number 3, are you ready for this? Include digestive supportive food and herb. I love herb. I'm telling you, like in my garden right now, we got plenty of herb that we are using. Fresh ginger, for example, dandelion root tea, and other bitter herb have traditionally been used to support healthy digestion and bile flow. So you guys, if you're African, you know the bitter leaf. Ooh. They may also help reduce occasional bloating and support overall digestion comfort. Small daily habits often create the digestion long-term results. That's why I kept telling you guys, it's about the consistency. There's a plenty of herb that you can eat. Some people told me, oh, bitter leaf is bitter, but just what? Anything that is bitter is good for your gut, literally. Anything that is sweet is against it. So over the last 3 videos, ladies, we are talking about hormone, stress, collagen, nutrition, and now digestion. Together, these form the internal foundation for healthy hair growth. But here's one more piece of the puzzle. Even when your body is producing healthy strength, how you handle your hair can determine whether you keep that growth or you don't, or lose it throughout breakage. In our next video, are you ready for this, queen? Guess what? I am going to show you exactly how I wash, detang, and care for your tiny hair to help reduce, guess what, breakage, and retain the length. A lot of us, I know probably you are in this plateau. Your hair is never reach out to the level that you want it. But I'm telling you, we're going to stop that today. Okay? So, I will even be using a mannequin so you can clearly see each technique up closely because I want you to see what I'm doing. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Beautiful, just what I'm doing now. Give me a favor, just go there and drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification so every time that I am live, you can hear or every time that I drop a video, you will be the first one to know about it. I will see you next video, friends, and just work with. Until then, take off your guards. We have to, because it's going to take off your hair, protect your crown, and have a beautiful and blessed week. I'll see you next time, queen. Ciao.